With that Ganpati Bappa slogan, we begin the proceedings for this match number 40 between SRM University of Science and Technology, and taking on them is Parul University in blue. And the start they have made as far as Institute of Technology is concerned is nothing short of brilliant, because within the first few seconds they've already launched perfectly four of the seedlings into the plantation area. And what a work they have done, I think, straight away putting pressure on Team Blue as far as Parul University is concerned. Even though they are doing quite steady, but relatively slow. These little gaps of 4 points here can actually make a world of difference, Akshi. Because if Team Red carries on with making this edge bigger and bigger, I think it will be very difficult for Parul University to catch up with them, especially in the area number 2.
That is very rightly put. In fact, if we were to look at it, Parul University, or should I be saying that the team in red right now, which is, of course, the SRM Institute of Science and Technology, looks to be far ahead of the blue team, which is represented by Parul Institute of Technology. And given how things are turning out, both the teams are giving each other a very tough fight right now. Each of them trying their best to plant the seedlings into the right spots and then move on into zone 2, so that they get as many chances with the balls also to be able to throw them. And quite clearly the blue team now, which is represented by the Parul Institute of Technology, Parul University, has moved on into zone 2 after planting 9 of the seedlings into the right spots. While if we take a look at the red team, then they've been able to plant all their seedlings into the right spot. And now both the teams are progressing towards the zone 2. Quite clearly, the blue team, which is represented by Parul University, is going all out, playing aggressive right now, making the best of the efforts to throw that ball into the holders so that they can assess and also amass as many points they can right now. But none of the strikes so far have been successful. Yes, they've been able to point it out in the zone 3, but they'll also have to place it later on into the holders.
Look at that beautiful pickup of the ball from the autonomous robot, and what a throw it is. Accurate, and I think the force is so perfect that it does not really exceed the competition field there. Brilliant design from SRM University of Science and Technology, and rightly so, they are in the top form. Interesting execution as team in blue, Parul University, makes a comeback to the starting point with their manual robot having a little bit of problem there. Looks like the throwing mechanism is facing a bit of a problem as far as their sensory mechanism is concerned. Only 3 seconds remaining, and that will be the whistle. And looks like SRM Institute of Science and Technology has comfortably beaten Parul University and accumulated as many points as they wanted to be comfortably placed in the points tally there. We'll find out in the replay there. Look at that beautiful, impeccable design of SRM University's autonomous robot and how beautifully it picks up the rice seedlings and comfortably places them. Brilliant sight, and what a beautiful statement. Sakshi, just a word about the problem statement this year. It's a beautiful theme, echoes the resonance of the country's economy as well as the culture. Beautiful theme, and what beautiful designs we are seeing. It's a sight to behold, frankly speaking.
True, it has been a sight to behold that we have witnessed over here. But for now, if we were to look at the match, this happens to be the third last match of the day today. After this, 2 more matches remain. There'll be 4 more matches that were tentatively supposed to happen today, but shall be carried on tomorrow. And tomorrow is the day when we shall also be witnessing the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and the final matches. A day that has seen a lot of interesting mashups happen between two teams today. That we have seen, of course, a lot of the teams coming out to be very strong contenders to be a part of the quarterfinals tomorrow also, Akshay, and then thereby qualify to be a part of the semis also. From there, it can be anyone's game on a given day, but if you to look at how the